Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some absolutely delicious air fryer orange chicken wings. And look at those right there. They look absolutely delicious. I'm going to tell you, they sweet, they sticky, and they absolutely delicious. So let's focus on this recipe so we can get these chicken wings in that air fryer. Now I got my chicken wings, you know what I'm saying, I chopped those bad boys up, got them in the bowl, and we're gonna season them. So we're gonna start out with a little bit of pepper, not gonna go crazy with the seasoning though. Got a little smoked paprika, you know I like my smoky flavor. Then we're gonna hit it with a little dill, give it a little tang, got some garlic powder, and then we're gonna hit it with that onion powder. And then lastly, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of that salt, and then to get them crispy, hit it with that cornstarch. Now after that, we just gonna get that big claw and we gonna mix everything in so we can get everything incorporated and then get them ready for that air fryer. So when they looking like this, hey, you good to go, fam. Now I'm working with my Powerxl 10 quart air fryer, and we gonna place this on 400 degrees and we gonna make these chicken wings crispy. Now we got to get this bad boy prepped, so we're gonna preheat it and then we're gonna spray those grates. Right now my grate system is like a 3 rack system, and you're gonna see I'm gonna pile these wings up in here, right? And I know you're gonna probably ask how long we gonna go with these wings. Now I'm doing batches, right? So we're gonna take it about 40 minutes, right? But 20 minutes in, we're gonna flip these racks, and you'll see why. Because that top rack is where that heating element's at, and you see them, they getting crispy. Look at that skin right there bubbling up. But that bottom is looking pretty sad. It's looking all soggy. So we're gonna put that on the top and rotate those racks. Now we're gonna close this bad boy up, and then we're gonna let this bad boy ride out. 40 minutes in, crispy texture, and I like my wings extra crispy. So right here, I'm just checking them to see how they look, right? So they look decent, but they're not where I want them to be. So I'm gonna place them back into the air fryer for additional 5 to 10 minutes until I get them extra crispy. And then as you see right here, after that 7-minute mark, they looking right. Now I know you're probably saying 40 something minutes, that's a pretty long time for some chicken wings in the air fryer. Now I'm gonna tell you, I got 3 full racks. Now if it takes a little bit less time in your air fryer, then by all means, man, go with what you know and what you need to do. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm not going to the ER for no salmonella.
Ooh,
but look at that right there. Extra crispy. We in the game, fam. Alright, fam, let's focus on this orange chicken sauce. We're going in with some orange juice, and then we're gonna hit it with some soy sauce, a little bit of sugar to keep it a little bit sweet, and then we're gonna hit it with some of that rice wine vinegar to give it a little bit of that tang, some ginger and some garlic, and then lastly we're gonna hit it with that orange zest. Now I'm gonna tell you, I was a little bit impatient when I was making the sauce because I was hungry, and you already know when you're hungry you're not yourself. So I rushed the sauce, but in the end we did a little bit of recovery. I got some Hoisin sauce, and we getting everything combined, and then lastly we're going in with that slurry mixture. That slurry mixture is gonna have everything thicken up. Now when I got to this point right here, I was like, man, that sauce looks good, it's smelling good. I'm gonna go ahead and dump these chicken wings in there. We're gonna be in the game. But as you can see, that sauce didn't mature enough. It's not sticky enough. It's not where I want it to be. But hey, I got these chicken wings coated lightly in that orange chicken sauce. Then I took them out, I put them on a plate, and then I let that sauce thicken up where it needed to be. And then as you can see in that beginning clip, I was in the game. I got that sauce where I needed to be. It was nice and sticky, and as you can see right here, I'm plating those bad boys up. Got a little bit of that orange sauce on there, and it was smelling good, fam. And look at them right there. You already know, man, you got to get them ready for your guests, ready for your fam, whoever you're serving them for, and they gonna tear these wings up. But look at that sauce right there. Yeah, that's when it thickened up. That's when that sauce was right. Sometimes when you're cooking, you got to be patient, right? And then you got to be able to adjust. So if you make a mistake, you can always adjust, fam. And then we get everything recoated with that orange chicken sauce, fam. Look at that, man. That looks absolutely delicious. Then we're gonna give it a little bit of that presentation with that green onion. And then lastly, you already know what we gotta do. We gotta hit it with those sesame seeds. And then, fam, you in the game. You got some absolutely delicious air fried orange chicken wings. They sweet, they sticky, they absolutely delicious, fam. I got you in the game. And fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious orange chicken wings. Look at that right there. And you already know what we gotta do. We gotta get this bad boy taste test. Cheers. And that's absolutely delicious, fam. And I'm gonna finish this off. Now, if you're new to this channel and you like this content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. For the people that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash it to this orange chicken, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.